Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math algebra problem. So here we have 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x equals to 100, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here first you see that we have three numbers are multiplied by each other, but its exponents are same, as well its bases are also same, so that we apply here this exponent law. If you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, we write it as a to the power of m plus n. So here, according to this exponent law, we add these three exponents and we write it as 2 to the power of x plus x plus x equals to 100. And we write this expression as 2 to the power of 3x equals to 100. And now in order to move further, we first need to take the log on both of the sides. So when you take log, it will be written as log of 2 to the power of 3x equals to log of 100. Okay, so now here we need to apply the nice property of log, and we you know about this property. If you have a log of a to the power of m, we move this m in the front of this log and it will be written as m times of log a. So here we need to apply this nice property and we move this exponent 3x in the front of this log, and it will be written as 3x times of log 2 equals to log of 100, and we write this 100 as 4 times of 25. We know that 4 times of 25 equals to 100. And now in the next step, here we need a sum working in the right hand side. So we have 3x times of log 2 equals to, here we need to apply the second property of log, and you know about this property. If you have log of a multiplied by b, if you have the product of two numbers inside the log, we write it as log of a plus log of b. So here we apply this nice property of log. Okay, so according to this property, we write this expression as log of 4 plus log of 25. Okay, so further you see here we have 3x times of log 2 equals to, we write this 4 as log of 2 square plus we write this 25 as log of 5 square. So in the next step, we move this 2 in the front of this log, and it will be written as 2 times of log 2 plus 2 times of log 5. Okay, so now here further we need to divide both of the sides by 3x and log 2. Okay, so we divide both of the sides by 3 log 2 in order to find the value of x. Okay, so here on both of the sides we divide each of these term by 3 log 2 in this way. Okay, 3 log 2. We also divide this term as well by 3 log 2. Okay, so further you see here this log 2 is cancelled out by this log 2, this 3 is cancelled out by this 3, log 2 is cancelled out by this log 2, and we will get here x equals to 2 divided by 3 plus, here you have 2 times of log 5 divided by 3 times of log 2. So we write this expression as in this form. Here you take the LCM 3 and we write this expression as 2 plus 2 into log of 5 divided by log of 2. So here we apply another nice property of log, and you know that if we have log of a divided by log of b, we write it as log of base b and a. So here we use this property of log in the numerator of this term. So we write this expression as x equals to 2 plus 2 into log of 5 base 2, and it is divided by 3. So this is the final value of x in this problem. And now further we need to check this value of x. Is this value of x satisfied the given question statement or not? So now in order to verify this value of x, first we need to copy down the given question statement. So that the given question statement is, we first write verification here, and the statement is 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of x equals to 100. So first we write this 2 to the power of x into the simplified form. We write this as 2 to the power of 3x equals to 100. And now we replace the value of x here. Okay, so we have 2 to the power of 3 into the value of x is 2 plus 2 log base 2 and 5 divided by 3, and this is equals to 100. We check this. Okay, is this equals to 100 or not? Okay, so now you see here this 3 and 3 are cancelled by each other, and we will get here 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 times of log 5 of base 2. We check is this equals to 100 or not. Okay, so further you see here we apply here the exponent law. We have a to the power of m plus n equals to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. We apply this exponent law here. So according to this law, we separate these two exponents and we write it as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 log of 2 and base 5, and we check that is this equals to 100 or not. Okay, so further you see here we have this 2 square equals to 4 times of, we move this 2 to the upside of this 5 and we write it as 2 to the exponent of log 2, and this is 5 square, and we check that is this equals to 100 or not. Okay, so further we write this into the more simplified form and we write it as 4 times of 2 to the power of log base 2 and 5 square equals to 25, and we check that is this equals to 100 or not. Okay, so after this step here we need to apply another exponent law and another logarithmic law. So you know about this law. If we have a to the power of log base a and b, so we know that the value of this type of expression is equals to b only. Okay, so according to this we write the output of this term is equals to 25. So that we write this expression as 4 times of 2, here you get only this 25, and this is equals to 100. And here you see that 4 times of 25 equals to 100 equals to 100. So this shows that left hand side equals to right hand side. So finally we say that the value of our x is satisfied the given question statement, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.